To fix a Kasa camera blinking red, start by understanding what the red light indicates. The blinking red light on your Kasa camera typically signifies a connection issue or a problem with the camera's firmware. Begin by checking your internet connection to ensure it is stable and working properly. Next, restart your Kasa camera by unplugging it from the power source, waiting for a few seconds, and then plugging it back in. This simple step can often resolve connectivity issues and stop the red blinking light. If the problem persists, open the Kasa app on your smartphone and check for any firmware updates. Outdated firmware can cause connectivity issues, so updating to the latest version may resolve the problem. Another potential solution is to reset your Kasa camera to its factory settings. To do this, press and hold the reset button on the camera for about 10 seconds until the light flashes blue. Then, release the button and wait for the camera to restart. After resetting, you will need to set up your camera again through the Kasa app. Ensure that you enter the correct Wi-Fi password and follow the in-app instructions carefully to complete the setup process. In some cases, the issue may be with your router or modem. Try restarting your router and modem to see if this resolves the connection issue. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the problem, you may need to contact the Kasa support team for further assistance. They can provide more specific guidance and help you troubleshoot the issue. By following these steps and troubleshooting tips, you should be able to fix your Kasa camera blinking red and get it working properly again. Remember to always check for firmware updates and ensure your internet connection is stable to prevent future issues.